mom is putting her one owner 2005 Chevrolet Z71 Silverado up for sale. This thing is slick, it's garage kept. It's only been in four-wheel drive a couple of times just to make sure the four-wheel drive worked, not actually used. So this is a 2005. It has 76,000 miles on it. Let's see, 76,194. Like I said, garage kept. Only time this has been driven is just to go eat. And that's about it. And then it comes back and sits in the garage. It's in immaculate condition, never been eat in, never been smoked in. She's the only driver. I mean, you couldn't ask for any more than this. The only thing she did say is on the console, this padding here had just started deteriorating just from sitting here, even though it's sitting in the garage. But she did doctor on it a little bit. But carpet floorboards, I mean, she never gets this thing off the road. I asked her if it's ever been on a dirt road, and she said yeah. When they delivered it to her, when she bought it brand new, they drove it down the wrong road, drove it down a dirt road. So she took it back and made them wash it. That's the only dirt road it's been on. It has been on the gravel driveway coming into my house, but other than that, this is a sharp truck. It's the V8 5.3. I'm gonna rev it up. Just slick as can be, never been in a wreck. The only time it's been in the shop, something to do with the steering. There's something that they grease up. If you've had one of these trucks, you know. Cut it off. Alright. I said it's never. Never been in a wreck. It's slick. She does have the little mat in there. Has hauled a few things in the back. I think it's only had a trailer hook to it one time. Couldn't ask for any better ride. Got good Michelins on it. Got no good tread. Oh yeah, no rust, no nothing. This is going to be listed on eBay for sale. If you want to get you a great looking truck, been taken care of, check it out. I'll have the link in the description. Like I said, if you're looking for one of these style trucks, you will not find one in a better shape than this one right here. I have up is a 2015 Nissan Murano SL. It has 201,000 miles on it. Again, this is my mother's one owner. This is her everyday driver that she goes and eats lunch in every day. Runs the roads. It's a 15. It's got 201,000 miles on it. Immaculate. Never smoked in. May have been eat in once or twice, but it never smoked in. Garage kept. It's just in really, really good condition. You're not going to find one better taken care of than this. She keeps it cleaned up. It doesn't get off-road. My driveway's gravel, and that's probably the biggest off-road deal you're going to get. Crank it up and we're going to open the hood. Let's see, it's got 201,546 miles. It's got all the Bluetooth, the backup camera, power windows, power locks, AC, all that good stuff. It has, let's see, get on the sun side. It has good tread still on the tires. These are Michelin tires. Looks like they're 22, so they're just 3 years old. Good looking car. She's got the V6 in it. So she takes good care of it. It's It's not driven by anybody else but my mother. This one has been in the shop a couple of times. No, like, wrecks. My mom hit a car in the Walmart parking lot, and it messed up some of the plastic on the front of the car. I think they may have changed the headlight and the bumper cover. It was a few little things. And then a lady hit the door, the passenger door. They had to put a new door skin on it. This will be listed on eBay for sale also if you want a one owner.